So, good evening. I'm Jon Ferris, Strategy Director of Electron. I recently joined after 12 years working with business consumers, helping them engage with the energy markets. We're a team of 15 building blockchain solutions for the energy sector based just around the corner here in Hoxton. And we see there are three major fundamental challenges that the energy sector needs to face if our digital energy future is going to come about. The first is that our shared asset registers are built for a world of large central generators, separate to millions of consuming meters. Whether it's with battery storage on the grid or generation behind the meter, that's a changed world. So while we've developed a blockchain-based meter registration platform that can be used for faster switching through a project that we worked on funded by Innovate UK, we believe there's a case for extending that to an end-to-end grid asset shared register. And these assets, in the smart, flexible world of the future, are going to need to engage with the grid. They're going to need to engage with the markets. And there are missing markets that need to be created. So we're also working on a flexibility trading platform, working with National Grid and Siemens, and that's a project funded by BEIS. And these assets and their trading activity is going to generate an abundance of data. And that data is the platform on which we can build our AI and machine learning that's going to transform how the energy system works. But there's a problem. The deregulation of the energy sector has tended to try to address the problem of recreating a large central monopoly in the private sector. And the tools that regulators have had to deal with this have been to break up that large central monopoly into lots of small central monopolies. This is a simplified example of the electricity meter registration system. In reality, it's much, much worse than this. The data is held in silos. There's huge amounts of duplication and incorrect data across the system. And when data is shared to be synchronized, it's done via FTP, sending a fax, burning it to DVD and sending it in the post. And this leads to huge issues of data quality. We've reached a point where Ofgem are giving large retailers over 4 months to undertake a data cleanse exercise. And the purpose of that exercise is so they can put that data into yet another duplicate central database. My retailer can attach my account to my Facebook account and mine the data. They can't attach my account to the feed-in tariff register to find out whether I have solar panels on my roof. This is not a situation that we can build new services and business models on. And this is where we see a use case for blockchain. It can change the regulatory paradigm and turn it on its head. Rather than addressing the issue of scale, it allows the regulator to address the issue of central control and ownership. Any user, any participant could be a node on the network. And we can build a platform on which new products and services can be developed. We can bring competition to previously monopoly activities. We can build in rewards and incentives for data quality into the platform. So, we're working with a large number of energy market participants to build consortia in order to take these products from proof of concept onto the next stage. Early next year, we're going to be holding an innovation day, inviting participants from utilities to build apps and engage with the platform. And following that, we're going to be launching our next funding round. So if you'd like to get involved, now's the time to start talking to us. Thank you.